This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adalia Fabregas. Welcome to the fabulous San Pablo floor plan at Ole, a contemporary Mediterranean-inspired community that's unique and vibrant colors. This elegant second-story flat boasting 1,771 square feet of luxurious living space under air, perfectly designed for modern living. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath design includes an open-concept, island-style kitchen ideal for entertaining, a welcoming front porch and an attached 2-car garage for your convenience. The primary ensuite has a sizable walk-in closet, lavish tub, walk-in shower and a charming Juliet balcony. First floor has a grand foyer with storage and attached 2-car garage. The home has been exquisitely furnished within the past year and is being offered turnkey for your convenience. This property also presents a great investment opportunity with its liberal rental policies, making it an excellent choice for those seeking rental income potential. Living here offers more than just a beautiful home, it provides access to a vibrant and active community centered around the 20,000 square foot Grand Village Center. Here, you can partake in a variety of social events, including karaoke nights, Wine Wednesday, bingo, trivia night, fitness and yoga classes. The community features the Ole Pub, Ole Bistro, and an ice cream shop for your dining and leisure needs. For those who love the outdoors, the resort-style pool with elaborate rockscapes and waterfalls is the perfect spot to relax. Children will adore the kiddie splash pool, while adults can enjoy leisurely walks along pedestrian paths lined with benches, street lamps, and art sculptures. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the outdoor amphitheater, where the band shall host exciting musical performances. Recreational facilities abound, with a movie theater, aerobics/dance studio, fitness center, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts. Additionally, the community's proximity to top-rated public golf courses and the Players Club and Spa adds an extra layer of luxury to your lifestyle should you choose. For more information, review the details below.